Ladies and gentlemen, I got some good news and some bad news, and we'll go ahead and get started off with the bad news. The bad news is the Patreon page for Tier 1 is completely maxed out. As you guys can see right here on my screen, it's sold out. Positions filled up quickly, and I did my best to put the information out, what was going on and how people were benefiting from this, and it is what it is. All right, so sorry. So those spots are closed. Bad news. The good news, guys, the good news is that for Tier 2, we still have some room for Patreons. Now, Tier 2, guys, this is what you will be receiving. We'll be reviewing your business to discuss your goals and the trajectory that you're currently in. We're also going to celebrate your wins, but also pay attention to the areas of opportunity in your photo booth rental business. In addition to that, I'm going to be running a monthly scan on your Google profile and providing you with those results. We're also going to be jumping on a 15-minute Zoom call. This is going to be a one-on-one Zoom call, just the both of us going over your business. We're also going to be having bi-weekly group Zoom meetings for everyone in Tier 2 because these individuals they're serious about their business. And this is the reason why I created the Patreon page, to cut off all the fluff. People always hit me up on my DMs and emails. They would have a question. I want to cut off all the fluff and all the noise. If you're serious about your business, join the Patreon page. That's simple. So guys, we're going to be doing live Q&As, live chats, and live streams in Tier 2. So I'll see you guys on the Patreon page. I'm going to place the link in the description box below. Take care. And remember, guys, on the Patreon page, I'm going to be giving out stuff every single month. So the money that's being collected in the Patreon page is going right back into the community, because quite honestly, I think that's just the best way of doing things. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys soon. Take care and good luck on your next event.